Shaya di Shaya.
Okay, sige. Contestant number 3. Wow. A very beautiful gown. Yung naman Michael Singina. Okay, thank you. Contestant number 4. Smile, baby, yan. A very delicate Filipino girl. Contestant number 5. Bow. Okay, sige. Contestant number 6. Good na. Yan. Contestant number 7. Yan. Contestant number 8. Yan. Sige. Contestant number 9. Good na. Okay. Contestant number 10. Number 11, contestant number 11. And finally, the contestant number 12. So, nahihirapan yung judges natin, ha? Sige, take time lang tayo. Magkapagita one day para mag-judge. You can now take your exits. Number 1.
Ang shadow.
Number 2, follow. Number 2.
Dire para hinay kagarawas. Pada kagada akong gasto hining kaganak.
Habang nagtatawag pa po natin mga judges, may I give our heartfelt thanks to the Lufthansa Group, to the Health Alliance for giving their time to this event, and also to our Honorable Barangay Chairman, Domingo Abian Jr., and our one of the